Alright, so this is gonna sound crazy, but a couple of nights ago I kept hearing this tapping inside my wall. Not like mice or pipes. It was slow and deliberate, almost polite, if that makes sense. I tried ignoring it, but the tapping started following me along the hallway, like whatever was inside there knew exactly where I was. So I finally lean in to listen, and the tapping stops. And this voice, right through the drywall, whispers, "Thank you for moving." I needed the space. Dude, my stomach dropped. There's nothing inside that wall. It's barely 6 inches thick. Nobody could fit in there. I backed up, heart pounding, and the voice whispers again, even closer, "Don't worry, I won't come out yet." I didn't sleep at all after that. And this morning, the tapping started again, except now, it's coming from the wall directly behind my bed. So, yeah, I'm staying at my friend's place tonight.